Hi guys, I'm Doji and Carl, that's my real name, and I apologize for the last time being very edgy and sketchy. So, this is a new one and a remake of the last one, and this time I'll just be making it better. So let's get right to it. I'm gonna choose a case first. I guess that was what other people choose. It doesn't matter what it is, because all cases are good. They don't have to be like the best out of the best. They all they all work pretty good, and there's not any reason to judge it by it. They all work really good. So let's just take one. It doesn't matter which one. When you got it here, I would like to open it. Now the game will by default um, put the parts that fit in this, and it will just make it so everything fits. You can turn this option off if you want to. See here, fits this PC. You can just turn that off if you just want to do it yourself. And then it will just say incompatible down here. But I'm gonna just take this one, because the best of the best. Put in. There you go. Now the first thing I also like to start with is the CPU. Now the CPU also just is the most important thing is that it fits, and it if you're in free build, money doesn't mean anything. You can just do what you want. So I'm gonna just take this Intel Core i9. You gotta put it in there, and you gotta close, and then you gotta take the thermal paste, and you gotta supply it the right way. And if it's like an i9 like this, I like to go down a bit here, and there you go, like that. Now when that's put in, I like to put the RAM in. You don't have to fill it all in, it's your choice. Then I'm gonna take this Viper here, just put it in. I'm gonna take 4, because I want to. Now when you got that ready, you can, I recommend then the memory, or the storage. You can put it whatever, it's your choice, once again. Everything is up to you, just if it fits. I'm gonna take this one, put there, and you gotta close it. And I don't know if there can fit more, yeah, you can fit a bit more here. When that's put in all of it, you can close it back up. There's one more here, put one in there, put one there. Alright, now you can close that up. And I'm not gonna show custom water cooling this time, because that's not for today. Now what I want to do is to choose the graphics card, and I want a 3080. So I search 3080, and it should be here, just anyone, and you can choose which one, just it fits. And I'm gonna just take this one, doesn't matter. And you see here how it says doesn't fit? It's because you need to take out these PCI covers. When took out, you can then install it. And when that's put in all of that, then I like to put the power box. I'm gonna just take the best one, because it doesn't really matter. Oh, and see how it can't fit? Because that thing is there. Now that's weird, because that really doesn't interact. And I don't really also know why, so I'm gonna just take it out. Ain't matter. Now I can put this in. Put in. It can. Now I put the cooling. Now it's the cooling. I'm gonna just use this one, cause I'm a. Wait, what? Yeah. And God. Alright, that doesn't fit in here that really good. How about this one? Nope. doesn't fit either. Oh, that one doesn't really use. It may say that it fits your thing, but it doesn't. Oh, it doesn't always fit, cause how can I say this? Cause there's also a lot of other stuff in your computer that needs to be there for it to be put in. But here I can put it in because I could put there. Now that is ready, and now we're basically kind of done. But we can also do something here on the back. So if we take off the back, okay, there's not really nothing to do here. Alright, now you can put all the panels on again and stuff that you took off, and you can press here, and you see up here, no OS installed. What you gotta do is that you wanna, okay, here, this USB drive, just smack it in there. Now what you're done, you wanna press up here. You can also just press P. I just feel this more realistic. Well, can't do it. So just gotta press P, and your PC should power on. And here it is. And boom, there you go. And now when it's booted up, you can take out this. And then you can see and restart it. See if it all works again. Boom. And you got your PC working. Great. But there's still some things that I miss. And that's the fans. You can put, if they're how fits, you can just put it in here, take out that. I want space, put fans. Yeesh. Alright, now you can put this removed component on again, and then you could press P, and then it says ready to boot. And there. And guys, that's how you build a PC. So, enjoy. I'm out. Wait a second, sorry. We can still talk a bit about it here, and yeah, alright. I'm out. See ya, guys. Enjoy your computer.